In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Etsy Authenticator code. We'll walk through where to find your security settings in Etsy and how to choose the delivery method for your authentication codes so you can sign in securely and without stress. Start inside your Shop Manager dashboard. That's the home base for seller tools. Look to the bottom left and open your profile icon. From there, head into Account Settings. This is where Etsy keeps all the essentials related to your account, and it's the quickest path to your security controls. Next, open the security section. On this page, you'll see your mobile phone number. Make sure it's current and able to receive texts or calls. If you've changed numbers or have trouble getting codes, update it here so your authentication codes go to the right device. Below that, you'll see two-factor authentication listed. When it shows as on with SMS, it means Etsy will send a one-time code whenever extra verification is needed. This code is what confirms it's really you, adding a strong layer of protection to your account. You can choose how you want to receive that code. Select standard SMS if you prefer a text message. This is fast, familiar, and works well for most sellers. If texts are unreliable for your carrier or location, you can switch to phone call. With this option, you'll receive an automated call that reads the code aloud, which can be handy if you're somewhere with spotty text delivery. Once your preferred method is set, you're ready. The next time Etsy asks for verification, they'll send your authenticator code to the method you selected. Keep your phone nearby, enter the code promptly, and you're in. If a code seems delayed, wait a moment for delivery or try the alternative method you selected. Also ensure your device has signal and that text or call filtering isn't blocking unknown numbers. That's it. By using the security page to confirm your phone number and choosing SMS or phone call, you'll consistently get your Etsy Authenticator codes when you need them.